If you would like to be able to open and close your blinds by simply asking Alexa, Google Home, or using your smartphone. You may be interested in a new smart blind system aptly named iBlinds that allows you to do just that. The Z-Wave retrofit kit allows you to make your existing 2-inch horizontal window blinds smart by simply fitting a small wirelessly connected device to your existing blind winder. Watch the demonstration video below to learn more. Once installed, the iBlinds smart blind technology allows you to easily control your blinds by either using your voice or companion smartphone application, which is available for both Android and iOS devices. Once connected to your home network, you can set automatic triggers, timers, and even attach them to sensors. iBlinds has taken to the Indiegogo crowdfunding website and already raised nearly double its required pledge goal thanks to over 240 backers. iBlinds has been created by Have Home Intelligence based in the United States and are now available to back with pledges starting from $75 and shipping expected to take place during October 2018 if the crowdfunding campaign is successful. iBlinds is a simple and easy to use device to automate your existing window blinds. You can control any 2 to 2.5 inch horizontal blinds in your home or office. Set a schedule to open at sunrise and close at sunset. Use voice control with Amazon Alexa and Google Home, or manually control a single blind, or a group of them, from home or anywhere in the world with one touch of a button using your smartphone, tablet or Z-Wave remote.